Today, I want to replace the lock of this cabinet in the sitting room, and I found out that the key to the lock is not working again. It cannot open, so it needs replacement. See, not opening. So I want to replace it by changing it to new. See the key not working. All right, so I need to change the lock to another one. So I've got a replacement, new one. I have it here. I'm going to use it to change it. Okay. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is my home hacks, the channel where I bring you a lot of hacks, repair, cleaning, maintenance at home. If you're new subscriber, okay, we need to remove the old panel lock. I'm screwing it. Okay, there were only 2 screws here. So they will remove. So push it out. Okay, this is the old lock system. Not opening again. Right. The key is here, but it is no longer opening. So we want to replace it with a new one. Check the key. It's no longer opening. So we got a replacement for that. So here is the replacement. We're going to use this one to replace the old one now. Okay, let's check. Fine. Okay. So okay, I'm going to enter this way. That's a problem. The hole is too tight for the panel key, for the panel lock. So we need to do something to the hole. To expand the hole a little bit without removing the door. Okay, we're going to use this knife to expand the hole a little bit without removing the door. We need to expand the hole in a special way. Okay, it's a little bit expanded. Okay, the problem, I need to move inside a little bit more than this. So we want it to go in a little bit. What we have, this is what we have. This was the hole, but we're going to make do with what we have. We're going to manage whatever we have available to do the work. This is what is available in our market right here. Not of the same dimension. We're going to manage the new one as it is. Right? right? Okay, so the final step is to fill the hole around the lock. The hole has become wider, so we fill the hole with some sawdust, some fine sawdust, and glue, white glue mixed together to fill the hole before we now put the ring in position. Right here, we can see the material needed for that. Some fine sawdust obtained from a furniture workshop and white glue. So we're going to mix the two together right now to form the epoxy, kind of epoxy that we use as a body filler to fill the space in the wood right here. So this is the white glue and here is the sawdust. So we mix it together very well to form kind of epoxy. So we fill the space with epoxy. Then we carefully remove the excess. So we bring in the ring and key it in firmly. Firmly to the last. Right? Then we clean up. Alright. Okay. See, that's another job. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and smash the notification bell so that you can get notified when I bring new videos like this. Until another time, bye bye.